How to insert checkbox in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Customizing the checkbox can be a very important step as it is used in various types of documents such as to-do lists, surveys, forms, and interactive documents. To add up the checkbox, open Microsoft Word and in the ribbon check for the tab called Developer. However, if you cannot find it, let's customize it. Go to Files and then click on Options, which is on the bottom left, and then go to the tab called as Customize Ribbon. In the main tab, click on the Developer option and then click on OK. Once you apply this option, you will see the Developer tab on your ribbon. Tap on it and then search for this checkbox icon. It is written as Checkbox Content Control and tap on it. Tapping on it will add the checkbox, and you can add any option to it by typing. However, if you want to customize the checkbox on how it looks, once a user ticks on the checkbox, you can just click on the checkbox and go to Properties. Hereby click on checked symbol and tap on Change button. Choose any of the option or icon that you want and then tap on OK. And by doing so, you have customized your checkbox as well. So that was it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.